I'll be back in a couple days.
And away we go! Woohoo! Sarah, what are we doing?
We're about to take off.
No, we're not. We're delayed again, right? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Eddie! Yeah! Laura, Khoi! We're in space! About to enter the internet. Go.
No, we're not.
No. We can't get to the server X. We failed. How many of us are there? At least. Oh no, Khoi got busted by the Alien Federation. Let's escape! Go, go! Go, Khoi, go! No!
Free minds.
Here in Las Vegas, it's known for its delicious food. Right here, we have some alien brains. We also have the Venus ham deliciousness, entrails, and alien boogers. I personally like the alien boogers. They have just the right amount of moisture and juiciness. Hey Khoi, what is this?
It's just a regular inflatable swan pool toy.
Oh, okay.
It's pretty plain. It's just a
Pretty
regular
normal,
swan.
right?
Yeah. I always thought things would be weird and ridiculous.
Yeah.
But look, it's just a normal looking swan. Looks like every swan I've ever seen.
Hey Khoi, what are we getting from the grocery store today?
Well, I'm definitely gonna get this Ego Echo. It's really good.
Gotcha.
Spray on mirror. It's a mirror and glass cleaner, and it says because you are exceptional.
Ah, got it.
And then we also need to get this. Who told you this was butter?
Oh, I don't know. Who told us that?
My mom did.
Oh, good to know.
Yeah. And then we got a whole box of done here because we're just done. We're done.
Nice.
We're done.
I think we're, yeah.
Faster? Okay, faster.
I know.
Ooh, Nami snacks.
I surprisingly found that I really love Genshin because I'm not a person that really plays video games until Genshin.
Until now.
But also it helps that with Genshin, if you get lost, like you can go into the menu and it'll tell you what you were supposed to be doing. Because like the whole like open world thing is hard for me because I get distracted a little bit.
You can do that?
Yeah, like if you press on the thing and it lights up a trail of stars and it tells you where you were supposed to be. Yes.
Press on I've just been guessing.
Boy, there's a whole
I've just been mashing buttons.
No,
something
Khoi,
work.
Khoi, there's a golden, like a thing on the map that like you can navigate to it and it'll blink and it's like.
I don't know, Sarah. That sounds like a lot of reading. I don't want
That
to do.
sounds like.
Inner machinations of my mind are an enigma. I spy with my little eye people taking wedding photos. Ooh, what a lovely Vegas sunset from my hotel room. Yay! Thank you so much for coming to Unicon today. It's nice meeting everyone. Cirque du Soleil. Oh. Super exciting. Thanksgiving! Yay! That's the Bellagio! beautiful.
That looks familiar.
What?